Okay, we're recording?
Yeah.
Recording? Recording? Go for a chance.
Action!
So Darnell, tell me, what did you get up to on the weekend?
After college, I went to work on Friday and doing the usual, serving customers.
Okay.
I watched the football on Saturday.
Oh yeah, who was playing?
Arsenal vs Tottenham, North London
Do
derby.
you know, I didn't watch it. Who won?
Arsenal.
Oh great, that's good.
North London's red.
Used to be my team. So you said earlier you got paid
Yeah.
on what, the next
Saturday,
day?
yeah.
Oh great, good. So what are you going to do with the money?
Save it up.
Great, good man.
What did you do this weekend?
Well, went out for a meal Saturday night because
Oh,
it was
yeah.
my wife's birthday.
Where
So,
did you go?
well, our local, it used to be a pub and is now a restaurant called the George. Really good food. So yeah, friends and family. Yeah, it's fantastic. Really, really nice meal. And then yesterday I've got an allotment, so got loads of onions, and I thought, what can I do for lunch? I thought, let's do onion soup because I had loads of onions. And my daughter's boyfriend was over from London, so yeah, bit of a family. So what did you
Okay,
do
that's
on?
fine, guys. Alright,
Yep.
cut! So you can press stop. Okay, we're recording?
Yeah.
Recording? Recording? Go for a chance.
Action!
So Darnell, tell me, what did you get up to on the weekend?
After college, I went to work on Friday and doing the usual, serving customers.
Okay.
I watched the football on Saturday.
Oh yeah, who was playing?
Arsenal vs Tottenham, North London
Do
derby.
you know, I didn't watch it. Who won?
Arsenal.
Oh great, that's good.
North London's red.
Used to be my team. So you said earlier you got paid
Yeah.
on what, the next day?
Saturday, yeah.
Oh great, good. So what are you going to do with the money?
Save it up.
Great, good man.
What did you do this weekend?
Well, went out for a meal Saturday night because
Oh,
it was
yeah.
my wife's birthday.
Where
So,
did you go?
well, our local, it used to be a pub and is now a restaurant called the George. Really good food. So yeah, friends and family. Yeah, it's fantastic. Really, really nice meal. And then yesterday I've got an allotment, so got loads of onions, and I thought, what can I do for lunch? I thought, let's do onion soup because I have loads of onions. And my daughter's boyfriend was over from London, so yeah, bit of a family. So what did you
Okay,
do
that's
on?
fine, guys. Alright,
Yeah.
cut! So you can press stop.
Action!
So Darnell, tell me, what did you get up to on the weekend?
After college, I went to work on Friday and doing the usual, serving customers.
Okay.
I watched the football on Saturday.
Oh yeah, who was playing?
Arsenal vs Tottenham, North London derby.
Do you know, I didn't watch it. Who won?
Arsenal.
Oh great, that's good.
North London's red.
Used to be my team. So you said earlier you got paid
Yeah.
on what, the next
Saturday,
day?
yeah.
Oh great, good. So what are you going to do with the money?
Save it up.
Great, good man. Yeah.
What did you do this weekend?
Well, went out for a meal Saturday night because
Oh,
it was
yeah.
my wife's birthday.
Where
So,
did you go?
well, our local, it used to be a pub and is now a restaurant called the George. Really good food. So yeah, friends and family. Yeah, it's fantastic. Really, really nice meal. And then yesterday I've got an allotment, so got loads of onions, and I thought, what can I do for lunch? I thought, let's do onion soup because I had loads of onions.
Oh, fair enough.
And my daughter's boyfriend was over from London, so yeah, bit of a family. So what did you
Okay,
do
that's
on?
fine, guys. Alright,
Yep.
cut! So you can press stop on everything.